Hi there. My name is Charlotte Lenson, and I am the founder of Mastering Touch. I have been a practitioner for over 23 years and teaching about maybe 10 years or so. I found the need that there had to be different ways of helping other therapists master their trade. So I developed these workshops that integrate different modalities and mainly the principles of these modalities so that therapists could use this information and then find a more successful way of helping their clients. And then in 2019, I brought Anto on board because I knew I needed help to finding ways to reach these people. And he comes from a more heartfelt place in business. And so we created in our workshops what we call the three H's. One is that we're primarily hands on so that students have more practical experience when they're working with these different techniques. Then the other one is that we are have this special connection, this heartfelt connection when we're working with our clients as well as when we're dealing with business. And then the last one is that we uh, have a holistic and more integrated approach to body work. So I hope you have a chance to browse our website and check out the different workshops that we have coming up. And I'm thrilled to have you visit our website. And thank you so much and hope to see you soon.